Hello YouTubers. So in this video we're going to be putting doors and hinges and rocker panels in this here 71 C10 cab. We're gonna finish rebuilding the hinge that we cleaned up and we already painted. Now we're gonna install the hinge pins and the bushings. Here's our new set of hinge pins and bushings, and we're gonna get the hinge, put it like in between here, and just tap the hinge pins in there. Well, first we're gonna put the bushings in and grease it up a little bit. That was perfect. Now we're just setting the bushings.
Put it right down in the hole. Yeah, get that big wad you got down in there. Just put it.
There we go, fellers. It sticks out a little bit long, but that's nothing we can't just grind off. We'll cut off with a cut-off wheel. So I decided to throw in some slow-mo and some hyperlapse clips in there. I thought it was pretty cool, so I wasn't sure if I was going to post it or not, but here it is. So we got the rocker panels mocked up in there. We just put a self-tapper in there on each side. Took a little bit of beating and banging, a little bit of cutting, but it's fitting pretty good. So here's the other side, and of course we're gonna weld it in before we paint it and everything. Now we're gonna put the door on the cab. So here's the cab with the doors on it. The gap is almost a little too tight. I mean, at least it's even. But we actually got a really good deal on this door because, well, there's a story to that I don't want to get into. But here's a rocker panel. There's nothing too crazy there. By the way, this is a aftermarket door, as you can tell. It's the inside of the cab with the doors in. Here's the other door. Honestly, I can't remember the story of this door, but it's aftermarket, definitely. Here's our rocker panel. So this one actually was on the truck. It's not original, but it was on the truck when it was running. But we do have a new rocker panel for it, but this one actually fit better and it's rust free, so we decided to use it. And of course, we're still going to weld these in. We just got them held in with screws temporarily. Next up, we're probably going to do cab corners. That might be in this video. That might be in the next video. I'm not really sure. But this gap is door's not shut, but gap is a little big. And again, we might do some more work to get the gaps a little better. But I mean, I'd say they're pretty good, you know. Here's some of the places where we had to do a little beating and banging. I was rubbing a little bit there. Here, it was pretty bad. It's making it stick out. There. And a little spot over there. Let's see. We didn't really have to do much on this, actually. Over there, we had to make a cut in that, and grind this edge here down a little bit. Let's go to the other side. This one didn't actually take as much. I needed to take a hit there. Honestly, that's pretty much all I had to do to the door on this side. And of course, we had to make a little relief cut there. And took a lot. You had to hammer on this to get it flat. But yeah. There's some of the work that y'all missed. I was, took both of us when we were so involved. We couldn't really like videotape that part. So I also wanted to throw in there, I know the camera doesn't really do it justice. It looks kind of dull in the camera, but this is the original 1971 green. I'm not sure what it's called, I forgot, but it's got flake in it, and kind of a light green. This may be the last you'll see of that color on this truck, so I just wanted to point that out. Here's some more of the green on the firewall. Honestly, I kind of like this green, but we want to do it, paint this truck like my grandfather's truck, which was blue and white. I think it was like blue in the middle, white from here up, and white from here down. So we'll do a tribute to him, I guess. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd very much appreciate it.